Hi guys, it's Cool Kid Tube here, and today I'm going to show you my gas truck and my plane. Let's look at the plane. Here is the plane. I'll show you the minifigures in one moment. Let me take them out. You can see them inside. I won't take them out. It's hard to put them. I have them, a guy, the lion, and Joker. As you can see, if you want to see how I'm building it, look. So that's done. Now I'll show you the cool features. It has this fan, see? It has in the front it has the glass transparent. In the back I have this little thing door so you can attach it like this and take it off really easily. And then once you do that, a little car comes out. It's like a little remote control car, but it drives by itself. Here's a look at it. Here's the back, here's the front. Okay, let's put this back. It does have some windows on this side and windows on this side. It has long wings here and same on this side, and then short wings on the back. And it does have another pair of wings up here. Same as that one. Now, let's take a look at the truck. The gas truck. Here's the gas truck all together. It has some headlights. It has a grill. It has a minifigure inside. It's another lion. See closely. You could see another lion. Or you could see it from this side. It's a lion with the light in it. So it directs the plane where to go. If you've seen one of those. It does have back turn lights and a brake in the back. It has oil in this. I'll show you. So wait a minute. See that black? All this black? That's the oil. Even in the back it has oil. But I think you know what color it is, so I'm just going to leave it. So, it has a transparent piece on the side. And two over here and two on the other side, same place. But they're both on two on the different ties, one here and one on the other side. Okay, Now, I'm going to bring my plane. Do you see where that opening is a bit? Yeah, there. There I'm going to put the gas. So you see that this thing? You put it like that and plug it in, and it's filling the plane with gas. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope to see you soon with another video. See you next time. Bye.